Hi there, humans and aliens. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to master the art of chatting in character.ai. Okay, so first you go here and type the URL character.ai. But if you don't want to type that much, c.ai. But I prefer just typing character.ai. Okay, so you just search up characters like over here. Okay, Lana dressed to impress. 1 second. Yep. So you just search whatever character you would like over here. So you see Lana, Lana. So now you just click one. I actually suggest you like scrolling down to see one that you really like okay? While you okay, so like if there's like a mistake over here, you know what you can do? Edit chat, okay? Now there, I fixed it. Amazing achievement. So like if you want like to request a bot to like change something about a character, you can just like type it like this, okay? And now this is how like you are supposed to like express your emotions or like movements or accents that you can't quite express by just speaking, you know. I decide to go and get up as my nails were done. So you see, this is how you chat to them, okay? All done. So now I'll be but like if you don't feel quite happy with this chat, you know what you can do? You can search up another character, you know. Okay, like let's say Michael Afton, okay? I'm just saying it for the sake of saying it. But then you don't find a good chat for your character, like, oh, you don't want this, you don't want this, you don't want this, you don't want any of these, you know. You don't want none of this. Like none of these are in your interest based on like the thing. You know what you can do? Go to the create tab, okay? Then go click character over here. Now you can do anything with the character. Now I'll just give you an example, okay? So no, I don't want to generate. I'll upload. Yeah, you can generate, but I do not suggest you generate an image for like characters that you haven't created. Like OCs, it's fine because like not everyone can draw as good as me. But like if it's an already existing character like Michael here, I highly recommend you just, you know, take a picture, okay? This is actually just a funny picture I edited that I found. So now just type the character's name. It has to be under 20 characters. Now sort of tagline. Give where's William? Oh, you know what? I'll just put where's father. Now I'll put in brackets William. 1 second. William. Okay? So like no one gets confused. Okay, now how will the character describe themselves? So for this, you just go to the wiki, okay? Okay, you just uh, okay. So you just I guess you just choose. You just copy paste the main part of this and fandom should have the character description of your favorite character, but like for OCs it does not work. You will have to fill that in all by yourself, okay? Okay, so now just paste this thing in, okay? Right, I'll do the more options, okay? Definition, what's your character's backstory and everything. Now you go to the personality area, okay? You know what? His story. Okay. And like I just can you just so I'll just be going to the history, okay? Actually you just but like in history it doesn't like give it that well. I just put in his personality. It should hopefully copy. It should hopefully work. If it isn't enough, oh, okay. Okay. That's a good. Okay, now I'll add some more parts, okay? Uh, Let me just add some more parts. Michael, when Michael was a teenager, he was a bit young and reckless, hence he took it way too far. He and his friends ended up playing a prank on his brother, uh, Dave Afton. Yes, I follow that theory, by the way. Like, you know the theory. Okay. I So like you just put like everything you want to put in the backstory sector, and to save like space, Okay, now we just put like you just put like the whole description here. Okay, I'll just put a description in by putting his head on an animatronics mouth, which Dave David Dave was afraid of. animatronic known as Fred Bear bit Dave's head off and hence decapitated him. Mike lived to regret it, shown by his accents. Okay. 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 Now I just put it. Michael's father was William Afton, who killed a lot of kids and made animatronics. Okay, so now you just do this, okay? User message, what is that? Okay, so you can like add a user message. Character message, okay. Okay, so this is all the backstory I added. So you can obviously add like a voice, okay? So you can make your own voices by just inserting a 15 seconds voice memo. It has to be 15 seconds max. Or you can take some voices here, like system selected voices like this, okay? A lot of people added that, okay? Now we do greetings. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay. Due to Ennard, due to him being scooped and Ennard went inside him. So now this is how you create like your own character that is actually canon to the lore, okay? Hey, you. Yes, you. How do you put the user again? Press user message. 1 second, I just need to. Copy. Okay. Okay. Yes, you. Paste. Animatronic by the name of Ennard. Ennard has come. Has stolen my TV, my organs, but most importantly, my television. He's British, okay? He's clearly British, so. My television. Okay, so to make this really dramatic, Michael comes running with running towards user tears start pouring out of Michael's eyes as he remembers his television vision. So now everything should be done. Now you can just keep it unpublic, unprivate or public, okay? You can also change the visibility, but I want this to be public, like, you know, who doesn't want a reputation at a Michael Afton? So now you just press create character, okay? Where's Father William? Okay, so now look at this. Michael comes running towards Julia. Yes, you, Julia. Okay. You okay? So now I'll show you much better features, okay? You cannot really do. Oh my. Who is Anode anyway? Who is Anode anyway? Bro, the AI knows more than I just gave them. Okay? Now you know what other feature that's really cool? You can just click this button and you can start a call, okay? But then you can't really I can't really because I don't have microphone access. I haven't gotten microphone permissions. So that's why I can't really call him, but like if you grant microphone permissions, it will work. Alright. Okay? Now another way you can just do it if you wanna like start a new chat from here, because there are a lot of reasons you would like to do that, right? You just click this, okay? It does lead you to another tab, but now just take a look at this, okay? So you just, and now if you just don't like the answer, you just click this button, okay? But another thing you can do is this, like you can just slide it or do it, okay? Like, okay? But you know, if you just don't want to start a new chat from there, you can just, because you don't like it, you can rewind, okay? Okay? But like, what if you simply do not want this message here? Like you want it. You okay? I will help you. Just, I'll help you. Okay. And then you don't want this message in between, okay? Just delete it. Okay? Okay, see? You can do this, okay? Now another thing you can do is, one second. So, oh my god. Go over here, okay? You can always go to history and see like everything, okay? Like this, okay? You see? Now another thing you can do is you see this persona tab, right? You can create multiple personas. I'll show you how to make a new persona, okay? So let's, like, it's okay to put an AI image for this persona, okay? But like, let's say your persona, okay? Let me just put a random picture. Let me put a random name. And then you just write a random background, which is just whatever I'll just put sad. You can make it a default for new chats, and then you can create it. But I don't want to create it, so I just go back. So you can create multiple personas, and like you can just switch them, like this. See, basically it's perfect. Now another thing that can really help you is, because characters don't usually remember everything, you can just pin a message, okay? So like you click this and then you pin the message. But like let's say you misspelled something, okay? Okay, like this, okay? You misspelled okay. See? Instead of rewinding, you can just edit message and press OK, and then okay. See? So this is how you can also like edit a character's thing. So like you see, but like you can't really do it that far back. You can only do it like here, okay? Like, see? So now this is basically how to be a pro in character.ai, and I'll chat to this new chat in a while, okay? For a while.